Hello everyone, I'm back with a new another exciting video, and this time I came up with a new project called data science project of resume scanner. And in this project I have made some I used some TF-ID and vectorizers and NLP. It is basically totally based on the NLP project, and I hope you guys um, will enjoy after seeing this project. And if you want to make the project, you can easily make through my codes. I will give in the description box the link of my GitHub where I have uploaded this project. And you also can make this at home and enjoy the project. Let's see my project. Okay, this is the project's material. Whatever I have used here is the material. This is the resume. As you can see here, the resumes data contains this, the train, and there are a lot of data sets. I don't know how much the column and the rows. I will say in the notebook, and I will tell you. So, let's come to the pynb file, the notebook. For to access the notebook, I have to just write cmd, and here I have to write Jupyter notebook. The Jupyter notebook will open in this. Here is the all the files which I have used here. So let's first see this notebook. Here, this is the notebook, and this all the code I have written. And trust me, it's very interesting project. When you will try at your home, you really will enjoy, and the concepts are very important and unique. So let's talk about the project. Here I have imported all the necessary library which I have used the below, and some more library I have used in the below code. So uh, you can see there. So here I have uploaded my dataset, and this is the dataset which I have 962 columns rows. So it's a very low data set. So what I have done is I have imported some uh, another website data set. मैंने जुगाड़ लगाया, बहुत जगह से मैंने डेटा सेट को कलेक्ट किया है और उसको यहाँ पे डाल के DF2 में ला करके इसे डंप किया है, और यहाँ पे 2484 रोज हो गए. Then what I have done is I have just removed the resume.html file. This column I have just removed because it's a HTML code and nothing for my project, and I haven't used it. So बेकार में फालतू का रखने से अच्छा है कि उसको छोड़ दिया जाए. तो मैंने इसको ड्रॉप कर दिया. Then after that, I have seen the shape of the DF and the DF2 also, and then concatenate to final DF. Here I have also used drop the resume str because I have made a new column called resume, which is same this one. So that's why I have just dropped this. Then final DF2 is called DF2 is category and resume only. Column contains the final DF is concatenate of DF1 and DF2, and the final DF is this one, which contains 3446 rows. Then after I have written the code value count in the category size. So I found this one. This data called the testing have 70 times, the Python developer has 48 times, and so on. The data science is 40 times, as you can see here. And oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is a end-to-end project in which I have just not only uh, analyzed the data, but also I made a website so that you guys can relate to the end-to-end, and you can also check it at your home, at your own. So in the next line of code, I have written the value counts and plotted the graph of bar of category. So here I can see that the Java developer is very high because it's 2000 till 2019 or 20 type data. So that's why it's Java developer is booming. But if it was after 20 data, it means after year 2020, then obviously data science is the booming industry, and so that's why it's before 2020 data. That's why the data science is too low. Again, I have made a graph on the category column just to see the count, and I have made a unique written a code of unique so that I can see and relate whatever the category column contains. In the next line of code, I have made pie graph for similar category column. Then from here, it is the main uh, code starts from here. So I have just written a code value count for final DF on final DF with resume. So I found very unique, which is in the in my resume column. I found that this line, okay, let me tell you, this line from here to here, this line 18 times repeating. It means there are lot of duplicated value. So here's this line is 17 times, and this line is 17 times, but it means there are a lot of duplicated value which my data set contains, which I have to remove there. So there are 798 rows which is duplicated. So in the next line of code, I have just dropped this duplicated value and then 0. And after that, my final data set contains 2648 rows with two columns, resume and the category. Then I have used the RE module to remove the URL tags, mentions, special characters, and punctuation. For that, I have written this code. You can pause and check at your own that how I have written this code. Firstly, DEF contains a clean resume, and it I will give it to text, and then it goes to the first cleaning test. These all the steps which contains these lines, and remove all the uh, URLs, hashtag mentions, and special characters and punctuation. Everything it will remove, and I will get the final DF resume as the clean. Then I have applied with lambda functions the clean resume. Then after that, the main part is the model. I have imported the sklearn.preprocessing, import label encoder, and I operated the label encoder on category column because as you all know, the the machine learns only the numerical value, not the categorical value. So that's why I have written the code, the output as a label encoder, and then here is the product has given the 31st is 120 times, 12 is 112 times. In the near future, I will in the near below codes I will explain this how many which column which number is which category. So in the final df category dot unique, there are these numbers, and as you can see that the data science is 21, 31 is HR, 7 is advocate, and some of you know will confuse that what is this number and why this assigned, why not is 1 2 3, why assigned 21 is assigned to the data science and 31 is assigned to the HR. These all algorithm of the of that model, and it is based on their own algorithm, so that's why it given random number to the categorical values. So in the next line, I have in the next line I have written a code using TF-ID and stop using the stop words, English word, because I have to remove the these words like here you can see that the words it, to, and which don't have the meaning in the English alphabet, and just we have to only give to make the sentence, but there is no meaning of some English alphabet like to, a, and the, and so on, blah blah blah. So it will remove that part only, and then after that I will get this. Then after removing this English alphabet, so sorry, English words, I have stored in the required txt, which is totally cleaned. Then I have imported the test train split and xtrain xtest ytrain ytest test train test split, and it will I have given the required x column and then y, and then test size and random state. Then I have used the k neighbor classifier so that maybe my machine will work as per my desire. So then I have fitted and predicted, and then I got the prediction scores is very low, which is 52%, which is very low. Then I have also imported the here the some more library, and random forest has given me 62%, which is quite good. Then SVC support vector, so it gave me 58%, which is not good. And decision tree classifier gives me 56%, which is also not good. Gradient boosting classifier, which is given me 70%, which is not good. And then multinomial NB given me 49%, which is also not good. But I I got XGBoost classifier, which is 70.75%, which is quite good. So I made this one as my model, and I have proceed this model as my um, brain of my project. So in I heard here I have dumped that file, all the requirement files using the pickle file. Using the pickle library, I have dumped all the files and XGBoost, my model XGBoost, my uh, TF-ID pickles file, and CLF files, all the files. This that's all from my notebook. From now from this line of code, my resume, and this is a sample resume. Um, and It's a sample resume of mine, and then after for some just think I have made a website, and how the user will interfere from this website, and how user can see that website. This code contains that one. So to see the result, I have imported the my model clf.model, and then I used to clean resume of my resume, because this one is my resume. User will give this one my resume, and it will go to this line of code my resume, and then clean resume. Here is the function of clean resume. Okay, let me show you. Okay, okay, this clean resume, and it will give me the clean text, which is removed all the punctuations, links, if it has, and lot of stuffs. Then after in this after cleaned, in it goes to the input features using the TF-ID, and for vectorizations, and then after it will predict using the CLF XGBoost model. And for after prediction, what is the number it will give in the dictionary format? Let me show you these numbers. This one will be the output, and what I have written is I made a dictionary using the name column, category name, and given all the values, and whatever the prediction from here my machine will give, it will extract all the values from this dictionary. So it will category name dot get and prediction ID. Whatever the prediction ID will let the prediction ID is 4. The arts will show you. And now I have printed the code. Whatever the extracted value I have printed here. Like in this my case, I got the value prediction data science. So this is the notebook predictions and notebook code. Let me show you the website code. For that I have to write, I have to go here, and here is the website code. Using Streamlit I made the website. Same whatever I have written in my Python notebook, I have just copy pasted here using the import NLTK, import RE, import Streamlit module is extra, because I have to make a website. So that's why I have imported the Streamlit here, which is not in my notebook. And then pickle, because I have to uh, load the file and all the stuffs, like my module, TF-ID and CLF, all the three modules. Then for safety purpose, because in my notebook I already just uh, removed all the stop words and punkit values, but here I have to download it because of my safety, because maybe the in the near future someone try to upload their resume and my machine will not work. That will embarrassing for me, so that's why for the safety purpose I have just uh, imported this one, written the code just to headache on leta hai yaar रहने दे. Then loading the all the modules, the CLF module, the XGBoost model, and then TF-ID for vectorization purpose, and same the code DF, which gives me output of clean resume. Okay, then in the main website, for making the website I have written DEF main, and in the last line of code I have written, okay, if name is dot if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to under the string underscore underscore main underscore underscore underscore, and then main, so that my it will contains a value. Now the st, which is for streamlit title, which is written as resume screening classify app. Then I have written a code for uploading the files, which is here, and the file contains two types, only the text and the PDF, and the maximum value is 200 MB. And if the file uploaded is not none, it means uh, if the file contains some values, let's say I have uploaded a resume, which is mine resume, and then this code will run. And if the file content is unnecessary or contains nothing, this code will run. So for uploaded files, let's see, I have uploaded a file of my resume. Then what? This code will run. Then what? What happen next? For next purpose, it will clean the resume. For clean resume, you go to this line and it will give the clean text, and then it will go to the TF-ID for vectorization purpose. Then it will go to the my model, and the output will be the number, which is either 28, 31, 7, blah blah blah, and so on. And whatever the number my model will predict, it will show to extract the values from here, from this dictionary, and whatever the values, it will display to my screen. So for displaying, this line of code is very very important for display purpose, and that's all for the for this project. Let's see the output. Okay, to run the code, I have to write. Okay, फिर से लोड करना पड़ेगा। ओके, वो कुछ ग्लिच था सिस्टम का, लोड हो गया वापस से। Okay, this is the website, and the link of this website I will give to the description in the link. I will give the link in the description box. And the model is very heavy, and it like about uh, 58, approximately 58 MB. So the model I will not upload in my GitHub page. Okay. XGBoost 366 MB. So the model is very heavy, and the uh, GitHub will not contain this file. So that's why I will not upload in my model. So now let the upload a file, a resume. Let's upload my file. Wow, the accuracy is very high. I don't know why, um, but as I am data scientist student, and as I make my career on the data science, so this predicts me right. Data science. Wow, amazing. I will thank to this project and me also for making this project, and I have learned a lot from this project while making this project. So I will request, or if you want to make this project, this type of project, you can also make your own, and try my reference of my code for understanding purpose, and I will suggest you try it once. Yeah, it's a very best project. So the session I am winding up, and in my next project I will upload it soon. Hope you will enjoy that too also. For that, bye bye.